Okay, so this is a bonus track. It's a short one. I figure I do it very quickly. It's number 17, The Plowman. He comes right after the parson. Now they're brothers. There was a plowman with him there, his brother. Many a load of dung, one time or another, he must have carted through the morning dew. He was an honest worker, good and true, living in peace and perfect charity, and as the gospel bade him, so did he, loving God best with all his heart and mind, and then his neighbor as himself, repined at no misfortune, slacked for no content, for steadily about his work he went, to thrash his corn, to dig or to manure, or make a ditch, and he would help the poor for love of Christ, and never take a penny if he could help it, and as prompt as any, he paid his tithes in full when they were due, on what he owed, and on his earnings too. He wore a tabard smock and rode a mare. There was a reeve and also a miller there, a college manciple from the Inns of Court, a papal pardoner, and in close consort, a church court summoner, riding at a trot, and finally myself. That was the lot. Okay, so the parson and the plowman are brothers. They are both really good, honest, true people. Except for one, the parson is a religious, and the plowman is more of a farmer, a workman. Notice that it says he's an honest worker, good and true, and then goes on to indirectly categorize him that way, right? He believed in peace and charity. He loved God and did his best. He treated his neighbor as himself. He went about his work steadily and heartily. He would help the poor. He always paid his bills on time, especially to the church. He would never take any more money than he was owed or deserved. And then here at the end, it says he wore a tabard. And a tabard is, whatchamacallit, like a cloak, I guess, like a jacket, like a loose jacket. And he rode a mare with a horse. Okay, and then these last four lines, it's really just Chaucer kind of in the middle here, basically giving us a clue as to who's next. So we have a miller, a reeve, a manciple, a pardoner, and a summoner, and that's it. We're going to be done the prologue. So go back through and look at the plowman. He's a bonus track, and then we're that much farther along.